Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can buy Chipotle gift card. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to open your Amazon browser or any other browsers where you can buy stuffs. I have logged into my Amazon browser and typed in Chipotle gift card in its search bar. So once you search Chipotle gift card, you will end up in the page where you can find it, and here it ranges from $25 to $100. So now once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to simply choose an amount of money you want as your gift card. So after you select you need to type in the email address, as this is a e-gift card and this will be mailed to your email address. So fill in the Ask credentials and select the delivery date and simply press on to the buy now option. Once you tap in the buy now option, you need to select a payment method and you will get your gift card through your mailing address. So this is how you buy gift card on Chipotle. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.